Violent riots originating from the town of Cambridge are currently happening throughout mainland Britain. The Prime Minister has declared a state of emergency as of noon 12th of July 1979. He has requested all army personnel to report to their nearest base for immediate deployment into the riot zones. All civilians are to stay in their homes and stay calm. Panicking will make it harder for emergency services such as police, fire, ambulance and military personnel to travel. This is the end of the alert. Normal programming will now resume.